Welcome. In front of me is a OPPO Find N2 Flip, and today I'll show you how you can capture a screenshot on this phone. To get started, you'll want to open up content that you wish to capture. I'll be using home screen as an example for this, so it's already open and visible for me. Once your content is prepared, all you need to do is hold power key and volume down at the same time. You'll have the sound along with the pop-up. We have scroll and share options, and after a moment the pop-up disappears. Now when it comes down to the scroll option, you can utilize that when you have content that you can actually scroll down on. So as an example, Instagram would be one of those options, or maybe just a settings page like this. As long as you can scroll down, you can capture a longer version of that screenshot. Now once you have captured your screenshot, you can find it under Photos, and it will be visible at the very top as the newest image right here. But you can also later on, after like maybe a couple of weeks, when you have a little bit more content here, you can quickly navigate it under the albums or locate it. And as you can see, one of the albums will be called Screenshots, and in here you'll find simply just screenshots that I have captured over the time. And obviously they are arranged based on the date. So the one that I have just captured is right at the top. Now, anyway, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.